4 steps to take your real estate sales business to the next level. Number 1, get attention. You gotta get attention. Most real estate agents are not doing well. Most real estate businesses are not doing well because people just don't know who you are. You gotta get attention. Example of getting attention, if you're taking notes, number 1, you gotta be everywhere, right? So we talk about domination, market domination. Gotta be on billboards, radio, online, direct mail. So meaning direct mail. So it's the ground game. The ground game is if I'm the homeowners, I'm thinking of selling my home, you gotta be the first one in their mind. How can you be the first? If you are not first, you are last. So if somebody's thinking of selling their home, how can you position our team to be the first one in their mind? So this is how we do it. On the ground game level, we gotta make sure that every day when the homeowners open up their mailbox, you gotta see your direct mail. That's called direct mail. Newspaper. As people look around the newspaper in the community, in the area, we're partnering up with all local chamber of commerce here. So at the local homeowners look at the newspaper, it's there. As they drive around town, the billboards is gonna be there. The radio, as they're driving around, we are in LA. Captive audience is in the car, right? So as they're in the car, that's a prime time. How do we do that? How do we get into the prime time? It's the radio, the billboard, the internet, social media. Now everybody's looking at social media. Everybody's just scroll down now, right? How do we do that? How can you pop up on cell phones everywhere? Cell phones everywhere is the social media presence. You gotta be on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, right? So those are all get attention. Number 1, step number 1 out of the 4-step process is get attention. Step number 2 is if you get attention bold enough, if you're bold enough with a message, it doesn't matter, you can be up yelling, screaming, ah! And once you get attention, the next step is you're gonna get criticism. People are gonna criticize you. You're gonna be too bold, too strong, right? So here in our team, I'm gonna use me as an example. Here in our team, how do we get attention? Our statement, our unique selling proposition is your home sold, guaranteed or abide. That's it, your home sold, guaranteed or abide. We are telling the community that, hey, if you hire our competitors, if you hire my competitors, if you hire the lesser agent, what they are saying is that they don't have the buyers. When you hire them, they're gonna put your home, put a for sale sign, going looking for buyers. When we hire our team, what we are saying is that, hey, look, we already have over 30,000 buyers, cash, ready to go, proof of funds ready, pre-approvals ready to put an offer. In fact, I'm so confident to get your home sold that we are guaranteeing in writing to the owner of the house. We put it in writing that, hey, your home sold, guaranteed or abide. The only terms we have is that the owner of the house and us and me, Rudy, have to agree on price and time of possession. That's all it is. So that's step number 1. Grab attention with a bold statement. Once you have the bold statement, which is called the unique selling proposition, then you put it everywhere. The next step is you're gonna get criticism. People is gonna criticize you. The message is too strong, right? So as the people are looking around online, you're gonna pop up everywhere. You're gonna be annoying, right? You're gonna pop up everywhere. You're gonna, wow, every time they look at their phone, your face pop up. You're gonna be like, wow, this guy is everywhere. The second time, you're gonna get criticism. People is gonna criticize you. You are too strong. Your message is too bold, and all those kind of stuff, right? People start gonna criticize. People are gonna talk about you, and the next thing is you gotta have some haters, right? You gotta have some haters. You gotta have some haters, man. There is no person who's doing well, who's successful with no haters, right? That means you gotta, in our team, we challenge the industry norms and standards. If you go to Zillow, Yelp, or you simply Google Rudy Kusuma, you can see that thousands upon thousands happy, satisfied 5-star endorsements from homeowners. And who do you think is the haters? The haters are the competition, which is good. If your competition love you, then you got problem, right? So that's step number 3. Step number 1, just to recap, you get attention. Step number 2, you're gonna get criticism. You're gonna get criticized. You are popping up everywhere. Step number 3, you gotta get some haters, man. You gotta get some haters. And then step number 4, the last step is they're gonna love you. turn it into appreciation, admiration. They're gonna love you, right? So we have many story people in our team that how first we get people attention, second you get criticism, step number 3 you're gonna get some haters, right? So how do you dominate haters? Well, you flood with so much positive. That's how you do it. That's how you deal with haters. For example, in YouTube now we have over 1,000 videos from our clients sharing their personal experience working with our team. Over 1,000 positive raving fans. So those are the four tips. If you apply today, it's gonna 10x your real estate sales business. Now, if you are here in Los Angeles area, I'm inviting you for a backstage tour of our real estate sales team so you can see in action how this 4-step process going on daily, every day in our daily life. All you need to do to schedule a backstage tour of our real estate sales team, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, call 626-789-0159 so you can see how this 4 principle of success, you can see it's running every day here in our team. Make it a great day.